All right, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Pardyalone, and it's not first time they had songs on Learning Guitar like Mr. Remember and Alone. He did that with Travis Barker. So he's back here with a song called Needed to Know. All right, nice song there. And I'm here as well, party alone, all by myself with my guitar and you guys. So I'm happy to present this song for you. So for all my returnees and all my new watchers now, feel free to support me here. You can do that and subscribe to this channel. And if you've done that already, then like this tutorial if you liked it afterwards. So thank you so much, guys. Let's move on with Needed to Know. All right, so we have the capo on 3rd fret. That is the best setup for us, and we have 4 chords to handle. So let's start with those. We're gonna start with F. Okay, that is how the song starts. It's a bar chord, so you place your index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the A minor next, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C is coming up there, and that is a very easy transition from A minor to C. You just lift off the 2nd G string and put it on the 3rd A. You keep everything else there, and that gives us 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord will be G. And that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, so there we have all the chords F, A minor, C, and G. Now let's go into the strumming, and we can learn it with the F chord. So grab that one, and one string round is basically played in the same way. We just have a short or small little difference there between the 1st half and the 2nd half, okay? So we have 2 very similar parts. It's played down, down, up, and then down, down, up, okay? But the difference here is in the 1st downs. On the 1st down, I play very bass heavily, so, and then I play down, up in the mid area. The next down I'm playing that in the mid area. And then down, up still in the mid area. Mid or top, okay? So I try to separate the 2 downs from each other. So the 1st down, it goes bass, down, up, and mid. Down, up, bass. Okay? That gives you a little variation in this sound, and that is how I do it. If you don't care about that, then just consider playing 2 down, ups as one strumming round, and then you just follow the amount of rounds I'm going to mention for you right now. So down, up, down, up is one strumming. So let's go into this song, and we're going to start with the verse. We have F2 string rounds. That means down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, that is 2. Then we have A minor 2, C2, and F2 again. Okay, so it both starts and ends on F. So one round is F2, A minor 2, C2, F2. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So F, A minor, C, and F. 2nd round. All right, so there you have the 1st verse. 2 rounds of that, and then into the pre-chorus, we have F2, C2, A minor 1, G1, and F2. So this pre-chorus also starts and ends on F. So F2, C2, A minor 1, G1, F2, like this. play it only for that one round. That's a pre-chorus. And then comes the first chorus. And guess what? It's played exactly in the same way as the pre-chorus. So F2, C2, A minor 1, G1, F2. And that is the first chorus. I don't think we have to play through that. We already did that. After that first chorus comes some instrumental part. And that instrumental part is handled with the F. You just stay on the F and play 2 string rounds of that. That is the first round of everything, and the second round is exactly just repetition. Second verse played exactly in the same way, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and the second chorus. And after that second chorus, you have the outro parts, and you're gonna stay with the F again, and this time you're gonna play it for 8 rounds, I believe. I think it fades out there around number 6, number 7, somewhere there. And I think you complete 8 rounds. And that is the end of Pardyalone's song called Needed to Know. So, beautiful song. Hope you enjoyed it. And if it was helpful, this one, then I appreciate your support. So, yeah. Till next time, play tuned.